What's going on, everybody? Josh, StarterandGutterBusiness.com. Today we got some custom shenanigans for you. Check it out. All right, so we have a 5-inch architectural box cutter job we're at, and the customer wants, my job sheet says just open-ended gutter. So basically they just want the gutter kind of spewing out, and I always try to kind of up my game these custom gutter jobs. So what I'm thinking, it's right on a corner, and instead of leaving like one end open or both ends open and just kind of not look that great, I'm going to tie my corner together, and then I'm going to build a little scupper out of the face of the gutter, out of the bottom of another gutter. So one of my things I really like about custom gutters is being creative, and so we'll see how this turns out. I think it's going to be cool. Okay, so I was trying to figure out size and shape for this. I figured the bottom of a gutter would work perfect. So that little scupper is just going to be basically the bottom of this gutter. And what I'm going to do is notch out the front bottom face of the gutter, and then have a kind of like a little angled scupper guy coming out of the face of the gutter. So what I'm going to do first is trim this right at this line so it's the right height. And then I made another line on the back. I just did hand scribed it. Trim both those off so we'll have our kind of basic shape. And then we'll go from there. All right, so there's the beginning stages of our little scupper. So this thing's going to be coming, I have it kind of roughed in back here. It's going to be coming out of the face of the gutter, and like I'm probably going to tip it a little bit so water kind of is forced out of there. So see how it goes. Looks kind of cool. I like it. What I'm going to probably do is kind of put this up against the face of the gutter, scribe it, cut the gutter out, slide it in, and then kind of trace this thing where I want it and tab it in. Okay, so a little piece, I'm just going to use this to kind of mark out what I'm going to cut. This is my corner, and I figured it'd probably look good to have it even with about the fascia, and that'll kind of keep my integrity of the corner together. So I'm going to scoot it back. I went a little bit inside of the corner, but pretty close to flush. So I just marked kind of this edge, and then I'm going to mark the other edge. And then I'll probably just use my speed square to kind of scribe that out. That way I have nice straight lines, because these are flexible, so I can force these straight by making them fit into a square hole. We're in the home stretch. We got it kind of coped in there. Now I'm thinking we'll probably tip it some. So what I need to do is make a break on the bottom and then mark these sides out. So to make it come out square, I'll just throw a square on there. Okay, so we got it. Turned out pretty cool. I got it all riveted in. And if you want to look at it, this is what it'll look like coming off the building. Go hang it, see how it looks. There you have it, custom scupper. Coming out of the face of the gutter. Turned out pretty cool. We'll see if ice rips it off, but I'll glue it up and we'll be done. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe. See you on the next one.